We're Pia and Sean with our three little chihuahuas, and welcome to our van life where we travel with our storyteller overland to discover amazing places. On this episode, we're in Kelowna, then Penticton, British Columbia. Please like, subscribe, and we thank you for watching.
Got into the Woods Lake RV Resort. We're right by the beach. That's the lake right there. They're gonna go check it out. If you get one of these spots, you're basically lakefront living, and it's popular. Okay, Pia, what are you eating? Seafood chowder. Boba is hungry. Going to check out the beach. So they have a full marina, the beachfront spots. Go check out the docks. Super nice marina. So you can rent a slip while you're here, which is awesome for camping. Dog park. Very nice facility with some grass and gravel. Looks like they used to have a beach volleyball court here or something. What do you think, Pia? What do you think?
This place is huge.
Doggies like it. First Tim Hortons of the trip. Might not be the last. We'll see about tomorrow. What's up, everybody? We are at City Park in Kelowna, and we are going to the beach. We're here in the Kelowna City Center Park. Gonna take a walk. They got some cool facilities. So they got beach volleyball courts, basketball courts with an arena, lots of shade, picnic tables, and right out to Lake Okanagan. They got parasailers, and when we were looking at interesting points of interest on that website last night, and what did we hear, Pia? There's a mythical like Loch Ness monster in Lake Okanagan, sea serpent. Hey everybody, welcome back to Van Doggies. We are finishing up our tour of City Park in downtown Kelowna. We stayed just north of here last night in Lake Country on Woods Lake, which was really beautiful too. But Lake Okanagan is a huge lake and is really fun, and a lot of people are enjoying it. What do you think, Pia?
Yeah, it's a beautiful day out. It's probably like 80 something degrees. This park is super green, super clean, and pretty crowded for a Thursday morning or Thursday afternoon in the summertime. And we would definitely come back here, and it's just so full of life for the town of Kelowna. So we are very happy that we made it out here.
Yeah, lots of parking, very clean, as Pia mentioned, and you can bring dogs on the beach. There weren't a lot of dogs, so our pups had fun prancing around. So dog friendly.
You do have to pay for parking though.
Yeah, pay for parking, it's cheap, but easy spots for the van. We see a couple other van lifers and RVs in here as well. So I think, take a look, hopefully enjoyed our little tour, and we're heading south and we'll show you our next destination. That's where they get out after floating the river, and then this is where it connects to the Skaha Lake, Skaja Lake. Pretty cool. We are here at our final destination. This is Thursday of our week. We just finished up checking out Penticton and Kelowna. And so we made our way a little bit south of Penticton. I think this is Oliver, and this is a RV spot called Apple Lake RV. And so I'll show you, it's a lot quieter here than Woods Lake up north. A little bit of a smaller lake, but still really beautiful. There's the setup for the evening. And Starlink's having some trouble, so hopefully we'll get some internet going. It's a smaller RV park that has a really cool little grass laden beach. Looks like there's room for people to have a boat and a little bit of a shared seating area. And yes, no dogs, no parking, but no worries. One of the beautiful parts about Northwest summer is you can have change of weather super fast. It's like it's raining over there, and that is literally sometimes the calm before the storm, because then the wind will kick up. Water is pretty warm. Cool little gazebo, some games, water toys. Looks like you can rent these little paddle boats. Little cool deck has a floating picnic table. That's pretty cool. You can take them out. Got a cooler. And this looks like a really shallow lake. Looks like it drops off over there. Going to be here for one night. Our last night in Canada on this trip. And then we are going down south to my neck of the woods. And this is going to be the first time that we've been able to go up to Priest Lake, Idaho in a couple years. So this is like really a momentous occasion for me and Pia. We both love it there. Our dogs love it there. It's one of the most magical spots, and so we're excited to share it with you and the channel. So again, if you've enjoyed watching this before we head back out of Canada, this is probably going to be towards the end of this video of checking out Kelowna and Penticton. And if you did really enjoy it, please hit that like button and subscribe, because it does help us, and we're really trying to push and get that subscriber count up. So it's free, and you would really give us a big boost if you do that. So thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you soon.